So today's review is going to be on the new AP 44mm that comes in stainless steel. Now there's a whole new novelty theme coming out with these new watches that have a camouflage strap and overall theme. I call it the AP Fatigue. So Audemars released it on the SIHH show in 2018. And originally when I saw it, I feel like the watches aren't even out yet at the dealerships and clients are already calling me saying that they want to get it. I'm like, dude, it just got released yesterday in the Switzerland show. Now, I have mixed feelings about it, okay? I think the overall look, you know, the way they executed it with the off-white khaki colored dial, and kind of like a dark green, military green bezel and ceramic, you know, stuff, fits good. It looks nice. You know, it's got a good theme going on. I don't know how I feel about it, honestly, for me, because one of the major things about this watch is the price. It has a retail of $31,000 and they're going right now in the market for over retail. So I don't know. I mean, do I want to pay that much over just to have this whole fatigue theme? Or can I just get a regular stainless steel and maybe perhaps strap a Horus strap on it in camo and just call it a day? So that's the one thing where I'm not really 100% sold on it, is how versatile can it be or how cool it really is overall. So I mean, the overall execution as far as how they did it, it's nice, you know, it's AP, I'm AP gang, everything they do is quality. The only thing I don't like is that the overall look kind of reminds me a little bit of Hublot, and you already know how I feel about that. So they kind of, I don't know, they kind of watered it down with that whole look and the whole camouflage theme. I mean, what the heck am I gonna do with it? And what are they gonna do next? Are they gonna come out with a leopard print one or perhaps maybe a cheetah model? I mean, that's the only thing I don't like. However, I wanna mention that they did also release a couple more of them novelty in rose gold, for example, and the rose gold one is more appealing to me. It kind of has like a burgundy chocolate colored bezel, and it's pretty much the same theme but just with different colors. That one does appeal to me a bit more, and I like it overall. I mean, if I was gonna pick one, it would probably be that one. Freaking jet skis back here. They're like the rats of the seas, you know what I mean? One thing I want to point out is the quality of the strap. Like, I don't know how they did it as far as the vulcanization process, but the way that they laid the colors and they blend in on the strap, it almost looks like it's painted on top of the strap. Like, I don't know, it just looks so authentic, okay? It almost looks like on the strap, like the feel of an old military vehicle. It has that nostalgic look, which I really, really liked about it. So, you know, now that I have it in my hands, when I saw it on pictures, I didn't like it at all, okay? When I got it in my hands, it does look a little bit nicer in person. I guess it's just the price, man. I guess if you told me that it was gonna cost me 2 to 3 grand more than a standard steel model, I would probably win me over, but it's just the price, to me, doesn't justify it. You know, I don't hate it. I'm just not crazy about it. So that being said, I'm pretty much looking forward to finally getting my hands on the rose gold version of the camo theme, or like I say, the Fatigue AP with the chocolate theme. I think that's the one that's gonna be much nicer. So feel free to comment below how you feel about the new AP novelty series with the camouflage theme. And also, don't forget to hit the notifications bell till it looks like this, or otherwise, you might not see the latest videos. And if you like this video, please like and share. Also, subscribe to our channel. My name is Eric. This is Watch Your Style.